ఎండలో తిరగడం, ఎక్కువసేపు మేకప్ ఉంచుకోవడం వల్ల ఒక్కోసారి ముఖం అంతా దురదగా ఉంటుంది. అలాంటప్పుడు టమాటా, దోస రసాలను సమపాళ్లలో కలిపి ముఖానికి పట్టించి పావుగంట తర్వాత చన్నీళ్లతో కడిగేసుకోవాలి. మరిన్ని విషయాలు తెలుసుకునే ముందు ఫ్యాషన్లోని నయా ట్రెండ్ ఇప్పుడు చూద్దాం.
Hello guys, welcome to Stree. Myself Dibyani Mishra, chief designer at Stree. Today I'm going to represent few handcrafted sari from our brand. Okay, the first sari is a satin silk sari which is beautifully machine embroidered as well as highlighted with intricate hand embroidery. We have used very fine silver beads and sequins in this sari. This sari took us like 2 months to finish completely, and it can be paired with a beautiful handcrafted blouse, and early 20s to early 30s people can wear it to a cocktail party. Coming to the second sari, the sari is of organza tissue fabric, and the sari is beautifully machine embroidered and intricately handcrafted with hand embroidery, and it has a beautiful cut work at the end, like it highlights the edge of the sari. You can see the beautiful pastel colors that we have used for this sari, which gives a very elegant and chic look to the sari, and people from early 20s to late 20s can wear it to any cocktail parties. As you can see, it's a beautiful dusty rose pink color. This sari is of silk, and the sari is intricately handcrafted again with machine embroidery and very fine beads. It's highlighted with very fine golden beads. The sari has a ethnic look, yet it's quite edgy. So, and it is also detailed with tassels, as you can see. You can pair this sari with some ethnic blouse to some traditional parties. And you can, like late 20s to early 30s people can pair it off with good blouses to certain kind of parties. This sari also took us like around 1 month to get, completely finished the sari. Moving on to the next sari, which is a beautiful Kashmiri sari. You can see the intricate Kashmiri stitch on this sari, which is further highlighted with, beads, kardanas to further enhance the look of the entire sari. And this sari also took us like 1 month to get it completely finished. This sari has 2 design elements, which is a bota thing, which is going all over the sari, and it has a beautiful border, which further enhances the entire look of the sari. Body has stripes pattern going on all over the entire sari. So the pallu is like this, which is further detailed with tassels attached at the hemline of the sari. And we have also highlighted the sari with contrasting colors to give it an edgy look. The next sari is a Kashmiri sari, which is in a beautiful green color. It has floral motif and multicolors, and it's a georgette based sari. So though it's a floral motif, we have highlighted the sari in such a way that it gives a very classy and edgy look to the sari. As you can see, we have used different materials for different motif. Each and every motif is looking different from each other, but it's complementing the whole entire look of the sari. It looks very heavy when you see, and you look at the work, it looks very heavy because it's quite intricate, but when you drape it, it just drapes very nicely. You can drape it very nicely. The drapeability of the sari is very nice because it's a georgette based. You can pair it off with a very classy slick sleeveless blouse, which can balance the entire look. And of course, this sari took us like almost around 2 months to get it entirely hand embroidered. Early 20s to late 40s, anyone can wear the sari. The sari will complement the entire crowd. So you have to just pair it up with a very nice blouse, and it will complement the entire look, and it will give a edgy look.
చూసారుగా ఫ్యాషన్లోని నయా ట్రెండ్స్. ఇక కారణాలు ఏవైనా ఒక్కోసారి ముఖ చర్మం నిర్జీవంగా మారుతుంది. అలాంటప్పుడు టమాటా రసంలో గంధం, పసుపు కలిపి పేస్ట్లా చేసి ముఖానికి రాయాలి. గట్టిపడిన తర్వాత చన్నీళ్ల